First, the top news headlines. Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day benefit people in many ways, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Follow OMR in IRB recruitment process, PCC urges government. And infrastructure development for Manipur University of Culture will begin soon, says Minister J.N.T. Kumar. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day were held at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister Secretariat today. Many people from across the state turned up to say their grievances to the state Chief Minister N. Biren. Briefing media, Chief Minister N. Biren said that ever since Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day were initiated 2 years back, many people in the state have benefited in many ways and their financial condition has also been improved significantly. He mentioned that so far 400 individuals have been provided loan amounting to rupees 10 crore and plans are afoot to provide more loans amounting to rupees 6 crore. He added that the government is currently focusing on improving fishery and agricultural sectors to boost rural economy. Commenting on construction of a new Manipur Bhavan having a 20-bedded nursing facility at Delhi's Dwarka, Biren clarified that the earlier mentioned expenditure of rupees 150 crore for the proposed plan includes expenses related to demolition of the existing Manipur Bhavan there.
Only bank amakhatada Manipur State Cooperative Bank khatada lising amaga sanipan gumba akoigi loan pibi oina lai haidi masida yam nungai resi kaino bu nahangai thabuk subam sabum khangna leiramba bank tagi loan kamaina logudage kamai fangadage na khangna leiramba dagi bank sing nasu thabuk suningba makon masa haibu singda piram daba madugi moigi help singdo koi sigi miyam gi numisi organize rokanda bank government employees kari mayam interact rokanda bank sing am full support ore and only Manipur State Cooperative Bank da lising ama sanipa lakpai manung da lising ama chamaga humbudra ga mapan loni means beneficiary masi khoi identify rokanda recommend ore sigi manung da 300 ka 400 ki maya loan pigre aduga ataina sanction letter sanction tawrakanda ready lere total huji phawda paisa oina pigri si loan oina pigri si last 2 years 10 crore gumama loan pigre aduga 6 crore gumama huji already ready tawraga lere.
Replying to a series of questions from journalists, the Chief Minister maintained that the government has been conducting a series of surveys and there is a plan to continue with the Go to Village mission. Chief Minister also informed that discussion is on to bring a solution to the current issue surrounding of SSA and Ramsa teachers.
Blueprint room kungumba, especially room kungumba, even tangai padardi madaida hoigi kari hai noigi oxygen thamna bagi plant to yes tangai padardi ventilator mari manga yauba aduga anabasing hospital dagi suddenly chakrone na tholaga imphal di yobangam dadana leifam leita yam wana leba kangbudo moidugi bed kundama sigi akogi blueprint building sagada biste yaure masidai da koi state government gi doctor ada thamgani nurse thamgani pura yaraga de koi flat amada yahon jena kan madugi planning loire.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has demanded the state government to follow optical mark reading OMR in the recruitment process of IRB personnel. Addressing media today at Congress Bhavan, Imphal, MPCC spokesperson KH Ratan Kumar lauded the Biren-led government in Manipur for taking up many developmental projects in the state, but added that many of the promises made by this government have not been translated into action. Ratan Kumar also questioned the government over pilot's project being stopped midway. He appealed for fair and smooth conduct of the upcoming India Reserve Battalion IRB personnel recruitment process. He alleged that MPCC has received information about using unfair means in the recruitment process.
Maruina Mangsing Kai se moi di board gaya chatpada through via Imphal chatpasni amna sambani na si lakoi ragade khoi da achuba economy se boost tawkani na chatpa thajabale na masigi flight si khoi gi samjalak badaina athuba matamda khoi mamangda tawgib sing ste khoi na dum khangi masi khoi gi kai haigani masi I wash ai ga khoi charter flight oina khoi am tawgani charter flight si khoi me amna khangi chumna gi pisa ne ga nek pani na regular service tawbina basi athuba matamda khoi hanai su lakpa pochi masi tahon bina ba khoi gi honorable chief minister da honorable khoi gi government sida koina koi masi thuna moi ki counterpart sing da civil aviation ministry da high biraga athu matam da function ta hona pibugi damakta koi keno teujari.
On the other hand, PCC spokesperson M. Prithviraj urged Chief Minister N. Biren to expedite the Imphal-Mandalay regular flight service. He also asked the Chief Minister to reveal to the public the detailed information of uniform, including shoes and belts recently distributed to Manipur police personnel. Manipur Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar has said that infrastructure development for Manipur University of Culture will begin soon, and a proposal for renovation of Anna Museum, Moirang, has also been submitted. He was participating in a calendar release program of Department of Art and Culture at his office chamber in Old Secretariat today. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy, Director A. Sivadas Sharma, and the other top officials attended the program. Minister Jayantakumar stated that the department has been taking up steps for preservation and promotion of culture despite financial constraint. He also said that renovation of 3 museums at Kangla heritage sites in different places of the state and a museum at Moirang are on demand agenda. He further said the government is in talk with the Archaeology Survey of India to revamp the historic Thong Nambonbi at Imphal's Khwaramban Bazaar, which gave in recently.
Not only to the standard of national level, but international level, international level, Tanzania, Makalki, Mati competition, Matita, Job, and Makal Port, when the developed one, I have Messina, had a kitchen, when Art and Culture Department, dream project, I think the medical vision, Matu, near the habit of Mitaikutan, Matu Hajari.
People's Biodiversity Register survey was conducted for the first time at Jiribam's Bihu Vang village. The PVR survey is sponsored by a board chaired by Chief Secretary of Manipur, Dr. Suresh Babu, under National Biodiversity Authority, Chennai, along with an expert team of Transdisciplinary University, Bangalore. Team leader of the survey, botanist Dr. Deshwarjit Ningombam, member of Manipur Biodiversity Board, MBB, and Tombi Ras, and environmentalist H. Dolendra Singh also take part in the survey. Vihuan Vang is a majority village which has 60 households and 3 churches. Briefing media at the guest house of Jiribam Municipal Council, and Tombi Ras said that the survey mainly focuses on trees, animals, birds, and people. Botanist Dr. Deshwarjit Ningombam said that during the survey at Vihuan Vang village, around 500 different tree species were found, mostly having medical values, 4 varieties of bamboo, 2 cane varieties, and others.
Kogi jaga kra ju leje thengnaba phangi jaga sing de buna main oina biowingi kogi pineapple si kiteng topa magi sigi thing oba khra koina ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯤꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯨ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯨ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ.
And now let's have a short commercial break. Coming up next, 5-day-long district level Expo 2019-2020 kick-off. More after the break.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Smart Universal Academy Sekmaijin Khunalda academic session 2020-21 gi oina pre-nursery dagi class 9 phawbagi admission hawjare. Class 10 gi examination da chahi taruk thangna chama pass tawriba Manipur gi akhanaba school oibaga loinana international amadi national award kaya phangliba school ni. Rural standard ta world class education piriba school ni. Akaknaba Sydney hena kupamarol gi damak mobile number sing asida contact tawbiro. Smart Universal Academy, the school of the future Manipur.
Welcome back. A 5-day-long district-level Expo 2019-2020 has kicked off today at Thiam Konjel Awang Lekai Ground, Kairao Block of Imphal East. Several self-help groups are taking part in the expo, which will continue till January 19. Those present at the opening event included Jila Parishad member Golmei Kachunga and Board Director Manipur Apex Handloom Weaver and Handicraft Artisans CS Limited Ace Bubul. Manipuri Students Federation MSF has banned RDS Dealer Private Limited located at Uripok Yambem Lekai, Imphal. Informing these to media at MSF office Kwagatel today, MSF Vice President P. Sajad Bujamayum said that the company has duped people of a large amount of money. Sajad said that the company has taken up many fake projects such as 500 megawatt solar power project, Loktak beautification and fire fighting system. The MSF leader added that the student body had been requesting the managing director of the company for a meeting, but he did not respond, prompting the federation to ban the company with immediate effect.
Dealer Private Limited asi koi ngasi matam chupagi oina thingjin jabaga loina na hariba office asi koi na solon selure loina na solon sin laga koi gi office asi thingjin baga loina na masi gi managing director oriba KS Rajendra Singh asi MSF ta athubo matam da koi changjara kadame haibo afam se mai koi media gi thongda koi thamjage.
Continuing their indefinite cease work strike, JEO joined 2 teachers of Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, Ramsa and Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA staked a sit-in protest at the Zone 2 office complex today. Ramsa and SSA teachers are on strike demanding fulfillment of their demands, which include pending salary. They have even decided to stay away from board and council examinations. Talking to media, Ramsa and SSA John 2 teachers spokesperson HARIPRIYA expressed displeasure over the alleged indifferent attitude of government shown towards teachers and urged the authority to bring an amicable solution at the earliest.
Matang kuina wadana laklabo oza singsina ngasi tolo phangdana mamangdagi sohona strike kaya ama sathajagraga su madugi oiba permanent solution ama phawba ngasi bu pibidana matam kharagi tolo khara piraga tha amani dangi tolo akoina piraga natraga matam kharagi lemhori bauji pending leiriba salary se pithoga akoina compromise tobadi handaki matang sidadi akoi sungya yaba ngamjaroi haina oja singi mahut sinjaraga ina media gi khutang da paujenjari.
Ruda Academy School, Thoubal celebrated its 22nd Foundation Day at the school campus today. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Deputy Commissioner Thoubal, N. Bandana Devi, Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor Dr. Ratan Kumar Singh and founder Edulife India Thokchom Mrityunjoy Singh were present during the function. An Atal Tinkering and initiative of Atal Innovation Mission under the aegis of Niti Ayog was also inaugurated at the event where a colorful cultural program was performed. Meritorious students and dedicated teachers were presented with simple gifts. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Radheshyam noted that parents and teachers play a crucial role in producing good students. He stressed on the importance of Atal Tinkering Lab in the ever-changing society, saying that the lab will help instill various innovative ideas to the youngsters.
What is going to happen in the future? Remote control guys what is remote control? Mobile phone is mobile we never dreamt. Radio is in Murphy Phillips and radio is a winner. Tabang, second class, 3 Karakota, radio is even the me Messiah on the Kalivanga. One is another color. Was it the radio, so telephone, so these cinemas, so Pulakana, was it TV, the mobiles and TV.
Haishnam Basanta Kumar Memorial IDTA Invitational Tennis Tournament 2020 will be held from 17 January to 21 at Imphal District Tennis Association Complex in Lamfelpat, Imphal. This was informed in press release from the association today. The release also informed that the tournament will be held under different categories and the champion will walk away with a cash prize of Rs 2 lakh. In a trial for alleged terror funding, the National Investigation Agency NIA raided 3 different locations in Imphal this morning. According to a reliable source, a team of NIA from New Delhi, led by a Deputy Inspector General of Police, began the raid from early morning at the Eastern Hero showroom owned by Sinam Pritam and the private residence of Ringon Elias Ramung located at Dulalen, Kabo, Lekai, Imphal. The NIA sleuths were backed by the State Police, IRB, Manipur Rifles and women police personnel during the raids. CRPF personnel were also deployed in front of Maruti Suzuki Arena showroom located at Chingmairong Nepali Basti, which is also owned by Sinam Pritam. And now let's have another short break. But coming up, CJM Thoubal rejects closer reports of extrajudicial killing. More after the break.
Wabiraganu, Medilena Pung Kunmari Chupna, Adongi Yumda, medical oxygen tinba lakpatanatana, installation to Wayabagi Kudong Zaba Pijari. Masitanatana, Darkar Labor Oxygen Regulator, Amadi Makal Kudimaki Oxygen Marks and Singba Produktuna, Miangi Mateng Pangzeri.
Loinana Anab Singamari Lainaba, Makal Kuding. Maki medical equipment sing foldable bed, suction machine, regulator, monitor, nebulizer, wheelchair, amadi oximeter na chingba, leiba amadi waiba yabagi kudong chaba pijari, adom sunga sima call togduna tanabiu, aikhogi contact number 920-598-7988, amadi Play Store da sangbiduna Medillion F download tabiu.
Welcome back. Chief Judicial Magistrate Thoubal rejected closer report of extrajudicial killing of Ningthauzam Thopchau at Nongpok Sengmai, and the court directed CBI SIT case investigation officer for further investigation of the case on December 30 last year. CBI SIT submitted the final report in connection with the alleged fact encounter of Ningthozam Thopchau Elias Ranbir Singh, 27, son of Samo of Nongpok Sekmai, who was killed in a firing by Border Security Force BSF personnel in Thoubal district on February 1, 2007, before the CJM Thoubal. The judicial inquiry report in respect of direction of the fire was not called. However, the injuries were caused by the firing by unknown insurgents and the deceased was caught in the cross-firing. He also contended that in the absence of sufficient evidence to conclusive proof as whom was responsible for the cause of the death, so the onus of the death could not be placed at any BSF personnel. Hence, BSF personnel had retaliated and fired to protect themselves where the insurgents were firing upon the camp. Counsel of the victim contended that statement of the eyewitness during judicial inquiry verified each other, but the statements were not taken into consideration during investigation. Judicial inquiry reports revealed the bullets fired by BSF personnel from their bunkers in their camp at Nongpok Sekmai Primary Health Center caused bodily injury to late Ningthozam Thopchau. And also, High Court of Manipur was directed to pay a sum of rupees 5 lakh as compensation to deceased wife. And now let's move to the sports news. The 46th annual sports meet of Tingkai Area Youth Organization, TAYO, began yesterday at the Sadhu Chiru Playground of Bishnupur District yesterday. Local MLA Ngamthang Haukip, Khadi and Village Pollution Control Board Chairman El Radakishore, ADC Kangpokpi member Dinglar Chiru and Chief Host Doika attended the opening ceremony as main guests. The sports meet is held under the motto of peace and unity. Among 52 participants from Manipur, 23 have bagged medals at the two-day 24th National Yoga Asana Championship 2019-2020 held at Same Form School, Mirzabar, Uttar Pradesh from January 12 to 14. The championship was held for different age groups, which was organized by Yoga Physics Association of Uttar Pradesh under the aegis of Yoga Physics Federation of India. The 5th Imphal West District Kerom Tournament 2019-2020 has begun today at Sri Sri Govinda Mandop, Uripok. Altogether, 67 participants, including 13 women, are participating in the tournament organized by Imphal West District Kerom Association. The tournament will be held in 4 categories: sub-junior, junior men and women single and veteran. Co-operator of IMC Ward Number 6, Taurangbam Indrajit, lecturer Lekangbam Lokendro, former president of UHLDC Lekangbam Bikon, president of UHLDC SS Brazalan and president of IWDCA Tayengbam Diren shared the dice during the opening function. Apunba Fitness Center, Nagamapal today felicitated athlete Takhelmayum Lina Devi during a function at the center. Takhelmayum Lina won bronze medal at the Asian Master Athlete Championship 2019 held at Kuching, Malaysia. The function was attended by Managing Director of Apunba Fitness Center, Yumnam Hamlet, Commanding Officer 8 Manipur Rifle, A. Somorjit and Subedar Sunil. At the event, Lina expressed happiness that she has been able to participate in a number of championships. He also appreciated the center for felicitating her and also for providing proper training to her.
Number 1, I need to be vaccination of the Jinkan of Honaviva. Amazon Apuma Pinesi, Lemiva, Tena Mayanzina, Hawaii Honaviva Day, Nasi Aina, Sana Bazapada, Medan Mayama, the woman, the Rivet, Apuma Pinesi, Yam Zawa, दायित्व अमने आइना हाइजनिंगी
Managing Director of the Center, Yumnam Hamlet, expressed on the importance of body fitness. He added that it is a matter of pride that an athlete trained at the center has brought laurels to the country.
Mr. India, Mr. International Putomoy, me could Masam fit when Madi, I could know how to color step when the Tangle question, other than I say, the transformation challenge, and I couldn't say good Pangoriba, and that is never for Iran related by single postpone of the Patanjil of the Gani, Aduga, Nasi, bronze medal of the Papugi, with Madame Lenabo, I magazine to Hanana, Tagatsari.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Miyamgi Numit and Hill leaders did benefit people in many ways, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Follow OMR in IRB recruitment process, PCC urges government. And infrastructure development for Manipur University of Culture will begin soon, says Minister Jayanta Kumar. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.